What if your morning alarm could wake you up without disturbing anyone else? That's the promise behind the Onyx Vibration Alarm, but does it actually deliver, or is it just another gadget with clever marketing? After researching the device, its features, customer experiences, and the claims surrounding it, the results are more balanced than you might expect. The Onyx Vibration Alarm is designed for people who prefer a silent, wake-up experience by using strong vibrations instead of loud sounds. It's especially marketed toward heavy sleepers, couples who don't want to wake their partner, shift workers, and anyone who needs a more discreet alarm. One of its biggest strengths is convenience. A vibration alarm can be much less disruptive than a traditional phone alarm, and many users appreciate being able to wake up without loud noises first thing in the morning. The device is also lightweight and comfortable enough for overnight wear, making it a practical option for many people. However, there are a few things worth considering before buying. While some customers report that the vibration is powerful enough to wake them consistently, others, particularly very heavy sleepers, say it may not always be strong enough. That means your experience could depend on how deeply you sleep and how sensitive you are to vibration. Battery life is another factor to keep in mind. Although it generally lasts long enough for regular use, forgetting to charge it could leave you without an alarm when you need it most. Comfort is also subjective, as some users enjoy wearing it all night while others need time to adjust. Looking at the overall feedback, the Onyx Vibration Alarm appears to be a legitimate product rather than a scam, but it isn't a perfect replacement for everyone's current alarm system. Its effectiveness depends heavily on personal sleeping habits and expectations. If your goal is a quiet, wearable alarm that can help you wake up without disturbing others, it offers a practical solution with some real advantages. However, if you expect it to work flawlessly for every heavy sleeper or replace every traditional alarm in every situation, you may end up disappointed. Overall, the research suggests that the Onyx Vibration Alarm falls somewhere in the middle. It provides genuine value for the right user but isn't a guaranteed game changer, making it important to weigh both its strengths and limitations before deciding whether it's worth your money.